Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing hardware and firmware so the system can see both cards. Power down, fit each GPU into its correct PCIe slot, and connect dedicated power cables. This prevents brownouts. Once done, boot to BIOS and set PCIe lane allocation and primary GPU. Update BIOS and GPU firmware if available, because mismatched firmware causes detection errors. Make sure the PSU headroom is at least 20% above peak draw to avoid throttling during heavy load. You now handle software, so the OS and apps use both GPUs. Start with a clean driver install. Run the in safe mode, then install the latest vendor package to avoid conflicts. Once drivers are ready, enable any vendor multi-GPU tools, but note SLI and Crossfire are deprecated, so you must configure explicit multi-GPU profiles inside applications or use API-level multi-GPU options. Also set Windows Power Plan to high performance and disable the iGPU if it interferes, because proper settings prevent driver arbitration issues. You finish by verifying performance and addressing problems proactively. Run a synthetic stress test plus a real workload to confirm both GPUs contribute and to observe temperature and clock behavior. Aim to keep temps below 85 degrees. If scaling is weak, tune application profiles or set explicit GPU affinity. If something goes wrong, reset cards, swap PCIe slots, check power cables, rollback drivers, and test each GPU individually to isolate faults. This methodically finds hardware versus software causes, so you can fix the only viable path to dual GPU operation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.